SENZAR'S blind spot detector, BSD by CUB, helps assist drivers to avoid unseen vehicles or motorcycles while driving. The SENZAR BSD system is designed for recreational vehicles known as RVs, motorhomes and trailers. The SENZAR blind spot detection kit can be easily mounted onto your trailer or motorhome. Then cables are run to the front of the vehicle to display on your notification system. The system uses advanced radar sensors that you have mounted to detect other vehicles that are in or are approaching your blind spot. The detection zone of the system covers both right and left adjacent lanes up to 75 feet of range and is automatically activated when your vehicle exceeds 15 miles per hour. When a moving vehicle is within your warning zone or approaching at high speed resulting in an impact of less than 2 seconds, the warning indicator lamps will illuminate to notify you of the possible danger. Our lane change alert feature will notify you with an audible tone and flashing indicator lamps corresponding to your turn signal during a lane change when a vehicle is detected approaching at a high speed that may result in an impact within 2 seconds. With the SENZAR BSD system installed in your vehicle, it also features rear cross traffic detection. The rear cross traffic detection is activated when your vehicle is placed in reverse. When activated, it can detect up to 30 feet directly behind the vehicle and up to 60 feet perpendicular for rear cross traffic. An audible tone will be heard and corresponding indicator lights will flash when a subject is within range of the traffic detection zones. SENZAR by CUB, your best partner on the road.